Alright guys, this is section 7, I'm tired. For unit 3, we're working with subject-verb agreement, inverted and interrupted order. So if you look at section 7, you probably can naturally figure out, as native English speakers, you'll naturally be able to hear what sounds correct because our instructions say that you're choosing the correct verb in the parentheses, you're choosing between two. But I just wanted to give you guys some background as to why what you know to be correct is correct. So we have some definitions up on the board. I didn't give definitions for all of the pages, 152, 155, and 159. These definitions are just from 159. This is working with the inverted and interrupted order. But this is just to help us understand that the subject can be anywhere in the sentence. We really have to have a clear understanding of the function of every single word in a sentence in order to correctly identify the proper verb. So the definition of natural order sentence, the subject comes first and then the predicate. So 4 ducks, I don't know if you can see that. I have in purple the subject and then in pink the predicate, or what we call the verb. So 4 ducks live by the pond is what we naturally do when we're speaking. And then we have inverted order, where the predicate comes before the subject. So by the pond live 4 ducks. And then we have interrupted order, where we have the subject. And so it's just like natural order, except there's words in between the subject and the verb. So the mice in that cage are growing very fast. I'm not sure if that pink is showing up there, but you do see the purple. Okay, so looking at 41 through 46 in our textbook on page 169. Looking at number 41, a group at my school blank showing a movie today. So this also requires us to know when to use the plural form of be and the singular form of be. So this means you'll first have to identify the subject of the sentence. Say a group at my school. So group would be the subject of the simple subject of the sentence. And group is a collective noun, which means it moves as if it is a singular noun. And we know when we have a singular subject, our verb needs to be singular as well, which means is would be the correct verb for this sentence. So 41, the correct answer is. And let's just skip down to 46. In the audience, blank 2 stars of the movie. So if you're looking for the subject of the sentence, this is where our knowledge of the order of sentences comes into hand, because it's not in the natural order, because it says in the audience blank 2 stars of the movie. So it's not the natural order, because audience would not be the subject of the sentence. So this 46 is written in inverted order because the predicate is becoming before the subject. So stars would be the subject of this sentence of 46. And because stars is plural, we'll need to use the plural form of be, which would be are. So 46, in this audience are 2 stars of the movie. And it's really important to know your inverted orders and your interrupted orders, because then you can identify or realize that the subject comes anywhere in the sentence, and you know how to find the subject. Because otherwise, if you chose audience as the subject of the sentence, you would probably think that the correct answer would be is, but it would not be. It would be are, because stars is the subject of the sentence. Alright guys, so let me know if you have any questions. That was section 7.